Look, it's coming to the end of its meal now. You see? So our mission for this guy is going to be to try and catch him as gently as possible so that it doesn't regurgitate its meal. Very often these snakes, when they are feeding, they really don't like to be disturbed, and to be strong and fast and able to defend themselves, they then regurgitate the meal. So in this case we're going to have to be...
also, to go out.
Yeah.
But he's not going out.
But in this case, like, it'll be easy. We'll catch him now and take him out. Like I say though, these ones are really very nice snakes. So here we're nearly finished now. Snake will take another 2 minutes or so just to get the final bit in, and then to let the rat go down a little bit in the snake's body. Once the rat is a bit further down, then I'll be able to get the snake stick in to lift it out. It's nearly done. Come on then. No, you have to go inside, my love. There you go. So now what I will do, let me put one light for you, then you can see. There, see? So now I will just put this in here. It's okay, don't worry. Okay. So, job done. Cool. In the morning, one Montane Trinket Snake, which is one of the most beautiful snakes we have around here. And we've managed to successfully catch it whilst it was eating a rat. It's not regurgitated. So what we're going to do now is we'll keep it for 2 or 3 days just to allow it to digest its meal in peace and safety. And then once it's digested a little bit and it has a slightly smaller stomach, we'll be taking it straight back to this area and then releasing it somewhere around here. Because it's a non-venomous snake, it's really, really important that we maintain the balance in the village and the communities, because otherwise very soon you'll see that there's a lot of rats and a lot of snakes. You know, if we start taking out all the good ones, then very quickly you'll find a very imbalanced kind of environment. So it's really, really important that we cherish snakes in our communities, that we allow them to live around us, especially in areas where there's not so much habitation, you know. Yes, if they're inside a house, then they need to be taken out. But if they're in the garden or if they're in the jungle area, then that's exactly where they should be, you know. So yes, one very, very good rescue call. Let's see when the next one comes.